And continuing coverage of Hurricane Milton as we look into helping victims of this storm and what they can expect.
Yeah, NBC's Alice Barr is live in Washington with more on the federal response. Good morning, Alice.
Good morning, Danita and Dave. These are dangerous hours for people who chose to ride out Hurricane Milton. And as search and rescue efforts ramp up, the federal government is adamant it has the resources necessary to respond. Hurricane Milton churning across Florida after coming ashore last night as a Category 3 storm near Siesta Key off Sarasota. Milton's power unleashing dangerous storm surge and flash flooding and spawning a deadly tornado outbreak.
This is a devastating tornado. It took out that 10,000 square foot red iron building.
Ahead of landfall, FEMA put 1,200 search and rescue workers in place to respond.
This also includes 30 high water vehicles, helicopters, as well as boats to be able to go in and support the counties and the states as needed.
Also on the ground, crews ready to restore power and distribute millions of meals and liters of water as federal responders braced for a potentially once-in-a-century storm.
To the people of Florida and all the impacted states, we've got your back.
President Biden urging storm victims to avoid swirling misinformation and seek the help they need. Members of Miami Fire Rescue's Florida Task Force 2 among the crews looking for survivors.
The first couple of days is full blitz for all the task forces, just 24 hours of operation, trying to find those that are left behind, trying to find those that are stuck.
Many who fled the path of destruction already dealing with damage from Hurricane Helene.
I think it's just cumulative, it's just, you start to fall out and you get pretty overwhelmed.
Now they wait to see what's left. And federal agencies are warning about the risk of fraud and of price gouging in the wake of both of these storms, noting they are tracking for spikes in essentials like food and gas and will hold companies accountable if they're found ripping people off. Danita?
All right, Alice Barr reporting live from Washington. Thank you.